How to pay with Google Pay on 11 Labs. Hello everyone, welcome to another 11 Labs tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can pay with Google Pay. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your 11 Labs account. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar displaying options like text to speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects, projects, and then you can see your profile name. Once you can see that, click on it. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, ensure you select subscription. By selecting subscription, you will be brought to the subscriptions page. On this page, scroll down and select the package that you would like to subscribe to. By selecting the package, you'll be taken to the checkout page. So it is on this checkout page that you would be able to pay with Google Pay. All right. So on the checkout page, ensure you look out for Google Pay. If it's available for you, click on it. By clicking on the option Google Pay, you'll be asked to authenticate your payment by using either your fingerprint, your Face ID, or your passcode. By using any of this, your payment will be authenticated and then you'll be able to make payment using your Google Pay. So that's as simple as that. But for me, my card information that's asking for. If your Google Pay is available, is amongst the payment options there, ensure you select it and you are good to go. So that is it. So this is how you can use Google Pay to make your payment or to subscribe to a plan on 11 Labs. Thank you for watching and have a good day.